good. They're moving. Yeah.
I'm a photographer, a photojournalist, documentary and street photographer.
See, here I'm playing with architecture, with composition, with lines, with basically shapes, because since it's a very architectonic setting, so I like to play with shapes, with forms. And it would be nice if there was more people in the shot, but since it's a rainy day, that's what we have.
I became a photographer through humanitarian work. I worked many years with Médecins Sans Frontières as a logistician, and on the side I used to do a lot of photography work, documenting what I was living, the conditions of the people I was trying to help. I know it was a coal town, and I know it's been like that for quite a few decades now, that they've fallen into big depression in the city, and people have been kind of at a loss of how to go on with their lives and make a new reality for this. How it looks a little less gray, the center of town. It used to be very gray, very downtrodden. But now it's looking livelier. So I would recommend to find your vision, find how you see the world, be sure about it, and then believe in it, and then try to show the world through that, and whatever you're photographing, your eye needs to come through. You're going to have your influences, you're going to have the things that motivate you to photograph, you're going to have the photographers that you're passionate about, but you need to find how you see the world, or else you're just another person with a camera.